Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a get ready with me, showing you my current go-to makeup, no makeup look. If you're interested, then keep on watching. I'm starting off with a rose water. This is really nice for the skin to bring the moisture back to the skin. Prepare the skin for the foundation. Recently I've been skipping primer in my makeup routine, that it helps the foundation to stay all day long. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Vanilla. This is my currently go-to foundation and I'm loving it. I did a first impressions video using the foundation. I'm gonna link it here. I'm gonna use the Real Techniques sponge to apply the foundation. The coverage of this foundation, it's really insane. The finish is really natural as well. It's kind of mattifying, but it still gives the skin a glow. Contains coconut oil, so it's really smooth and easy to apply. I'm gonna use this Catrice Camouflage concealer, still my favorite concealer from the drugstore. Recently I'm thinking of buying the NARS, these NARS concealers or containers, which I have heard that they have amazing coverage and they are one of the best top rated concealers for last year, and I didn't have the chance to try them, but I really want to, so maybe this will be my next concealer that I'm gonna try out. I apply this concealer and not crease. I will use this Duo from Wet n Wild. You have here powder, which I love, you can see, and a contour. But I will use a tiny bit of powder just to set the concealer. For my go-to makeup look, I use bronzer, and my current favorite bronzer is this one from Marc Jacobs. And I did first impressions video, I'm gonna link it so you can check it out. But this is my go-to bronzer. It's absolutely stunning. The color, the shade of the bronzer is perfect for my skin tone, and it applies so easily, so smooth on the skin, and it gives my skin amazing bronzed, sun-kissed look. But it's not orange on me. I'll use another brush, this one from Real Techniques. I like to apply some blush. I'm using this MAC blush mineralized brush in the shade Dainty. Gorgeous pinky shade. This is how my brows look like. Pretty much. They don't need a lot. I just gonna fill them a bit. I will go again with the rose water before applying my highlighter. So for my highlighter, I've been using this Dior Face Glow palette, which is really beloved, you can see. I'll take my Zoeva fan brush, Full Glow, adds some really nice shade, you can see. I like to mix all of them, also this pinky blushy shade, it's really beautiful. For my eyes, I think I want to use this small Smashbox Eyeshadow Duo. I haven't used this Maybelline Sculpting Brow Mascara in a really long time, the shade Medium Brown. Moving on to mascara, I'm using the Lash Princess Essence Mascara, which is my current favorite mascara. I'm gonna use my favorite NYX Peekaboo Neutral lip liner, Fenty Gloss Balm. Let me know in the comments how do you like this makeup look, and have you tried some of the products I used in this video. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm gonna link all my social media down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!